Visitors to the San Francisco Bay in California are greeted by the sight of a famous landmark that has spanned the water for the last 80 years, the Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is a long orange suspension bridge that connects the city of San Francisco to Marin County. It has a length of 8,981 feet or 2,737 meters. When it first opened in 1937, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world. Although it lost that status in 1964, it has also been called possibly the most beautiful and certainly the most photographed bridge in the world. Before the bridge was built, the shortest route to San Francisco was a ferry across the bay. At the time, San Francisco was the largest city in the United States that was mostly reached by boat, and it was difficult for the city to grow. Many people wanted a bridge to connect San Francisco to the communities around it, but experts did not think it was possible to build such a long bridge. The Golden Gate Strait, which was the narrowest part of the entrance to the San Francisco Bay, was over a mile or 2 kilometers across, with strong currents and swirling tides. The water in the center of the channel was 372 feet or 113 meters deep. In addition, there were frequently ferocious winds and blinding fogs that would make any construction difficult. By 1916, engineers began designing plans for a bridge that could cross the span and stand up to the harsh conditions. The original plans for the bridge were too expensive, and there were many changes made to them before construction began on January 5, 1933. Construction of the bridge took over 4 years and was notable for advances in safety. The Golden Gate Bridge was one of the first building projects where workers were required to wear hard hats, and a safety net beneath the bridge saved the lives of 19 men who fell during construction. The bridge was completed in April of 1937 and was originally painted with a red-orange sealant to protect the bridge from damage by water and humidity. But people liked the color, and it helped make the bridge visible to passing ships, even in fog, and so the Golden Gate Bridge was officially painted the color called International Orange. Since the bridge opened for traffic on May 28, 1937, more than 2 billion vehicles have crossed it. At the time, the San Francisco Chronicle called the Golden Gate Bridge a $35 million steel harp, but it is estimated that today it would cost about $1.2 billion to build. Once a record breaker, the Golden Gate Bridge still serves an important function in the San Francisco area and enjoys fame around the world as one of the 7 wonders of modern engineering. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Golden Gate Bridge today. Goodbye till next time.